Good afternoon, folks. I know it's been a long time since I actually uploaded a video. I really apologize for that. Things have been absolutely insane around here. It's coming down to the wire. We're getting, our moving day is approaching really fast, and we're trying to get everything done. And then, you add into that my brilliant ass decided to enroll in school for the summer semester. and, I got my textbooks the other day, and anybody who has been in college will tell you that if you get to the first day of class and you just start doing your shit on the first day of class, you're already behind. So I've had to go through my textbooks and go through the syllabus and kind of get ready to rock and roll for when class starts and all that other fun shit. So it's been really crazy around here. It's been really, really crazy. I really hate to say this, but there's not a whole lot moving and shaking on the Stephen Avery case right now. With the extension filed by Zellner and all of that other stuff, there's very little stuff that we can really uncover at this point. I think we've covered pretty much all of the really main points, but that doesn't mean I'm not still looking. I am still going through the case file. I'm still trying to see if there's any other little things that could possibly shore up his case or, just further proof of the shit show that is Manitowoc and Calumet County. However, yes, I did see that article where the neighbor had been interviewed. I'll be doing a video on that, if not today, tomorrow. But before I do that, I wanted to do a video on this, and this is the Stanford rape case judge removed from new sexual assault case. Yes! Fucker! You deserve it! You deserve to never hear another fucking case in your life, Persky. You suck! So, essentially, just to give anybody background who hasn't heard of the Stanford rape case, which I can't imagine how you didn't, a little 20-year-old fuckhead decided to sexually assault an unconscious woman behind a dumpster at a Stanford frat party. Now, I already did a video on this, and I had one asshole comment, "Since when is dry humping sexual assault? Are you really that fucking stupid?" The woman was found with her dress up around her waist and her panties off. That was not dry humping, sweetheart. Well, there was no semen found in her body. No, because two other fucking students interrupted him and he didn't come, you fuckhead. What's wrong with you? Seriously. At any rate, this is on CNN.com. I'll throw a link down below so you guys can enjoy this. A California judge who sentenced former Stanford University swimmer Brock Turner to 6 months in jail for sexually assaulting an unconscious woman has been removed as a possible judge on an unrelated case. The Judge Aaron Persky of Santa Clara Superior Court sparked outrage this month over his sentence for Turner. The fallout continued Tuesday when the Santa Clara County District Attorney removed Persky from a different sexual assault case. After the recent turn of events, we lack confidence that Judge Persky can fairly participate in this upcoming hearing in which a male nurse sexually assaulted an anesthetized female patient, District Attorney Jeff Rosen said. Mr. Rosen, you are now one of my new favorite people. You are awesome, man. Keep up the good work. 20 jurors refused to serve in Persky's courtroom Wednesday, citing the judge as a hardship. A prosecutor and the defense can opt to request another judge if they see fit. In such instances, a case is reassigned to a different judge. So that's actually true. Either the district attorney or the defense can motion to recuse the judge. And it is true that jurors can actually refuse to serve under a specific judge, which is really kind of cool because what this does is this gives the court itself another layer of, motivation to properly discipline a judge that has besmirched the good name of the law and of justice. So it's really, it's an awesome little addendum to our legal system that I don't think a lot of people know about. It's actually really interesting. You should check it out. In California, prosecutors or defense attorneys can paper a judge repeatedly on any case if they choose. It's possible that the Attorney General could seek the judge's removal on further cases. This is a rare and carefully considered step for our office, Rosen said. In the future, we will evaluate each case on its own merits and decide if we should use our legal right to ask for another judge in order to protect, and this is my favorite part, in order to protect public safety and pursue justice. So what they're basically saying is, we know this judge is a fucking shit show, and if we think that he's going to cause problems, we're just not going to even allow him to hear the case. So, fuck you, Persky. You deserve it, you piece of shit. Since his ruling in the Turner case, an online petition to remove him from the bench has attracted more than 1.2 million supporters. But, and here is the kicker, guys, removing a judge in California requires the support of the voters in his or her district. So, kids in that district, let's see what we can get going on, okay? Now, this is the thing, kids, is that what you have to understand here is that every single case, every legal case that is heard in a courtroom ripples through time. The things that happen in that case can be cited in future cases as legal precedent for why a specific course of action should be taken in that specific case. So, Brock Turner's case is not an isolated incident. It can be cited further as the years go on, either for the defense or against it. Time will tell how this plays out, but that's why judges have to be so careful in their rulings. They have to pay attention. They have to think. It's because the decisions that they make today can and will affect future court decisions tomorrow. You can't just say, oh, you know what? He went to my alma mater, so I'm going to go ahead and just, bad boy. Don't do that ever again. You can't do that because you're setting a difficult legal precedent, not just for this case, not just for this time, but for the future, for other fucking cases. This is why you have to fucking think a minute before you do shit, kids. Not just in a court of law, but fucking period. All right, so I've got some other stuff that I want to try and get recorded today, so I'll get a hold of that. I'll get on that. Don't forget to subscribe to me here on YouTube. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter, MamaPhoenix6, and click on over to the About page here on my channel on YouTube, and you will find everything from my Pinterest boards to my Facebook fan page. Thank you all very much for watching. We'll see you soon.